Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10 in OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable command prompt new feature in Windows 10. So there's a lot of features in command prompt, so how to enable it, so I'm going to show you. So first you just have to go to the search bar here and search for command prompt. So you just type in CMD here. After typing CMD, you can see there's command prompt. Now right click it and you have to click on run as administrator here. Now you just have to allow it to make, so click yes here. So after opening the command prompt, so there's some new features there. So you can use keyboard shortcut, multiple line, or you can also add some transparency. So first you just have to, in the bar open top bar here, just to right click here and you have to choose properties here. After opening the properties, you can see there's some options are inaccessible. If you go to the font or layout, you can see there's a window position is not, you cannot access here. Colors also, opacity option is not accessible. So if you want to enable these features and some new features, so you just have to uncheck the use legacy console option here. So you just have to uncheck the use legacy console here. So if you uncheck it and you just have to click OK and relaunch the command prompt here. So again, cmd run as administrator, yes. And if you go to the top bar here and click properties, and you can see there's some features are now available to you, font options, and so you can see there's some options are available to you now again. So opacity is again, and you can see there's option also new features at terminal, so we can use some changes here. So that's it. This is a very cool features to need to know about Windows 10 command prompt. So I hope you find this video helpful. So that's it. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.